Okay, so I somehow became very involved in the performance of a Ring 4K camera. It started out with me really wanting this thing to be awesome because I find the Ring cameras to be the best. Then getting very disappointed because I was getting very poor performance. This is going to be part 3 where I now have 4K all the time. So this is a huge relief for me. Ring actually did a follow-up call with me. I did 2 things. So the first one was I updated the firmware on my router, which I'm not sure if that actually did anything because I did try 2 different routers and they both did the same thing. The second thing I did was that I forced 5 gigahertz. So on both routers, the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz band were both combined into one thing, so the device chooses what it's going to connect to. I isolated the 5 gigahertz, which is something I believe you can do on any router, but I did with this one, and now I'm getting 4K all the time. So again, I'm not really sure like what actually solved it, but all I know is right now it is working. So it's a huge relief, and on top of that, I just love the actual images I'm getting out of this thing. This is me now. We've got the 4K camera right here. I got my 2K camera right there. The 4K camera now is extremely superior. Especially, I noticed like when I did put that on my 3rd story bedroom window, it shoots down. I can still read the sign. I did notice that when I view it live, it can get a little bit fuzzy. But if I actually download the video, so if I actually had to use the video for anything, that video is crisp and clear. So those are the videos you're going to be seeing right now. It's kind of interesting, a little weird. I also noticed that there is a blue light that is on when it is recording. So when I have that on at night, if the camera is pointing toward the window, that blue light is going to bounce off the glass, bounce back, and it is going to give us what my girlfriend and I commonly refer to as the portal. So a solution for that is you can just take some electrical tape, put it on top of that blue light, cover that up. Don't know if legally you're allowed to do that or not, but if you don't want to have that blue light, then that is going to be the solution for that. I do also appreciate that the plate on the bottom is the exact same as the plate on the old cameras. So if you already have that mounted to the wall or the ceiling, you can literally just pop the old one off, pop the new one on. So everything there is interchangeable. On top of that, we can take that base, we can mount it on the top, we can mount it on the back, we can mount that anywhere we want to. So very interchangeable. Now that this thing is actually working properly, you might have to know a little bit about your router, how to go in and assign a 5 gigahertz channel. It's one of those things you can typically find out online. For me, it wasn't really that much of a hassle. It was just a matter of knowing that you have to do that. Now that I know that I have to do that, that's all I got to do. I basically have a channel assigned specifically for all my Ring cameras now. The main important thing is that it is 5 gigahertz. After that, it works great. So, yeah. This was quite a journey, but I'm happy it's over. I'm happy that the product is actually as good as they were saying. Overall, I'm just happy. So, all right, that's it.